What's up, everybody? Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have a 2024 Kawasaki ZH2 with just around 1,700 miles. One owner, pristine condition. Tasteful mods done to it already. Has an acropovic slip-on, mirror delete, excellent condition for its year. Comes with the rear seat and the seat cowl, 2 set keys. Comes with the stock exhaust as well. Not a single scratch I can pinpoint or a single flaw I can pinpoint on this bike. She is ready to go. Has TST front turn signals. Healthy motor, only 1,700 miles on the bike. Excellent condition, man. You're gonna be really happy with this when you see it in person. And if you want to see it in person, come check it out at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville. We do ship nationwide. We have over 400 satisfied customers. We have 5-star reviews on Google. Check us out. And for more details, visit us at hnhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.